headers turbo and random. Ooh, turbo. There's Tyler. Tyler, that's what you need right there. That's what you need.
That would look nice with it.
I love.
Be out there.
I'm about to go look at it. Dude, look, this is for sale. Sweet car. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at this. Oh, dude. This is so raw right here. This is badass. This is sweet. That is bad. That is bad.
What kind of CRX is that?
Hey, did y'all go back there yet? Do what? That's a bad car. Oh, look at that Focus with the V8 in it. Five O's. Halo and Midnight Club 2. Sweet.
Okay, stay right there. It's race time now. Race time.
Freaking Civic with Skyline taillights and super headlights. There's a carbon fiber. Jeez. This car is so raw right here. Got the mini bike carbon fiber. This car is fast. The Civic with super headlights and Skyline taillights. That's bad. Don't forget the carbon fiber back there. I didn't see the carbon fiber back there. This thing right here is got a Prelude motor in it. What is it? Looks like it was an Accord, maybe? I don't know. Hey, read what it says on the sticker. It was a Honda Accord. Yeah, I knew it. It was a Honda Accord. It's now awesome.
They make Honda Accord convertibles?
No, they don't. That's why it's so bad. This car is raw.
got quarters.
This thing is bad. Ooh, look at the RX-7. Huh?
Do you ever hear them drifting out there before the gates open?
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Look at the turbo on that thing. That thing's bad. Look at this one.
What is that?
I have no idea. K1. That's bad. It was something. It's two. Oh, James, did you see that?
Get rid of it. Who brought these TVs to the jury? Tell me that. No, I ain't bitter. I don't give a. But I'ma take it like this. Bitch, I'm walking through my tour bus. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. You know I'm on the right track. These got the right. Get the trunk back and pump. I'll be right back. We fire balls out. Showing stars out. We heard it. Out, so we
That is bad.
Cause we poppin' tonight. Get this out of security. What's up in the fight? I got a fist up that Remy. Love and Chris. I'm feeling up in the club like I'm working that West Coast, Street Clothes, we on street. We on the dance floor. Long pole, beating up. I'm from the deck. Trying to disrespect GPP. And rock a bottle. So fine up from the VIP. We trap it. You and your body. Get out the way.
As well. This one's bad. Supercharged Ford, damn. Turbocharged. Alright, I'm gonna look at all these movies. Do what? Got the underdrive pulleys on it.
I'm gonna get like stuff like that.
What?
Side mirror.
Side mirror.
I didn't need a bumper because it's smooth and you ain't got a bonnet on our shit.
Hey, James. This is the same one as the hot import night. Hey, this is the same one as I think a hot import night.
Mike should have brought his Impala.
It ain't enough. That's why I get with parts so I can get my money and then some. So you see this like I'm the skeptic. You see the type about my name. My name was
What?
Look at all half these people, all these people, they got trophies all out.
See the holy rollers?
Got it.
77 horsepower. So, I gotta go recharge my battery in my car. Huh? Nah, I got that power inverter box for like a home thing. Oh, this dude lives down in Cooler. You going to the Neon Chamber?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's a Mazda 6. That's a hatchback, I don't know.
I thought it was an older
Dude, look at this lube. Sweet. If you say ran like 8.7, quarter or eighth of a mile. I like the seats. David!
Look over here. Hey, what we were talking about doing with your ship, taking a magic marker right next to Jesse Fowler and then right is gay.
It's messed up.
Wait, what? I was just picking on you about writing your name on it.
Look, Murphy. It gets you more points, they say.
I was actually gonna take gunmetal pinstripe down my car and have them write Nopi in the pinstripe. You parked right in front of the door?
I did. They're coming to move.
Not even knowing?
Yeah, I didn't know the door wasn't open then.
Oh, really? Like, I'm well picked that door with that prelude. You think they turned the air on or something? I really wish Callie would have come.
She gonna come tomorrow?
Bring my car here. At night?
I get talking sweet, what they eat. I get told up low, please believe me. Don't wonder what I'm going to take it easy. You're just a no-go.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, shine that light on you. Let's get a light. Okay, shut the light on. You're killing the effect.
Who broke it? Who was playing? See, look, it's really daytime.
Okay, we're gonna leave him.
They got some place with the crew. Oh my god. Holy shit.
I spend my time in the cell, ain't been real. Yeah, they killed I couldn't see it. I had a mind full of demons trying to break free. They planted seeds and they had sparking the flame inside my brain like a match, such a dirty game. No memory, just a misery. And you the picture of my enemies. Well, I'm alive till the moon and the see the sun. Please don't forgive me for my sins. This is
Alright,
Lord, something to the years and shed so many tears.
Oh my God, Jose! Oh my fucking God! Jose's having too much fun.
Away from those beauties right over there. Coming up here. You guys ready for some women? Are you? All right. I got about 5 minutes here before I can get them up here. All right. I'm gonna bring up my man right here. Kudzu, have you got 2 songs you can do? Yeah, you got 2 songs. DRJ was coming up. His disc ain't working right now. Yeah. His disc ain't working. So can we try it in this other player? Doc, can we try it in this other player? Hand it up to him. All right. We'll bring up Doc. I want DRJ to get up here and do it too.
Somebody gets so scared to touch.
All right, baby, here you go. Oh, Lord, let me let y'all see her. What is your... Yeah! Now I see her.
Why is she in this thing?
What's your name?
Bailey,
Bailey, what does your hat say?
lick me.
Is there like a fee or something? All right. Bailey, I need you to give me your top 10, okay? I'm gonna get you a pen. All right, somebody, Jenna, give me 2 more pens. Jenna, if you can hear me, I need 2 more pens. Kim, bring me 2, baby. All right, we are going to bring up these beautiful girls. I don't even know how many there are. It's going to take us an hour. All right, Mr. Crean, here's you a pen. You got one? All right, Bailey. There you go, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. I need 1 more of those judges' sheets from the back. It looks like a grid. It says auditor score sheet. And, sweetie, you can come down here and stand with her. Mr. Clean, come up here and talk to me, buddy. Here's your pen. Kim's going to bring it over to you. All right, you can stand right down here, too. Yeah.
next nigga, we like that. Come on. Money, car, clothes, hotel, bar, hell, no. Money, car, clothes, hotel, bar, hell, no. Money, car, clothes, hotel, bar, hell, no. Money, car, clothes, hotel, bar, hell, I make cheese. Therefore, you can call me mozzarella. 20-inch of Bella to the pretty Cinderella. Call me the welder, cause I keep the hot dollar. Or call me JC, I'll be the Rockefeller. Call me what you want, just don't call me no bitch. Got doubts that I'm a main nigga, ask your bitch. I'm on the block holler, got them things going.
Mr. Rattler, please make your way over to the inspection station immediately. Mr. Rattler, make your way over to the inspection station immediately. Alright, all my racers, as long as your cars are in proper working order, bring them to the starting line so we can commence the third heat of the second round of today's main event. Let's make it happen. You got a big old smile on your face, my man. You know something I don't know?
So does it still say record?
Yeah. Damn, it's bright.
Give me your tape. Oh.
Yeah, some force on there.
Going.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't get him.
Hey, is today just as busy as yesterday, or is it?
I don't think it will be. Not for as we haven't been real busy here.
And I got another question. Say the guy who wins first place doesn't show up. Does it automatically go to the
I think
second
they're
place guy?
going to win first. They're going to be here.
Them on the inside. That I couldn't find.
All right.
It'd be okay if that happens.
Thanks.
I think if somebody going to win first, they're going to be here.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Give me some minutes.
Yeah, there's a cop there too.
Damn, look at that truck.
And they even move. Yeah, I'm probably not getting anything because I can't see shit. I'm just pointing.
Gotta stick it out, sunroof.
Damn, nasty ID.
Get that further over here. That thing is so tight. I got it yesterday, but it's so bad.
I don't even think some of these moves.
That girl's in the bikini today. I'm getting my same spot from yesterday. There's the other prelude from yesterday.
That's pretty over that orange one too. I can't tell.
Yeah, that's bad.
I think I saw his stuff. It's alright.
Y'all, before I diminish, let me handle my business to y'all. I don't think it's shook when he looking all nervous. Maybach in front of the club, hard cooking on purpose. Now, ladies, my Maybach probably hold 6 in the back and 3 if you're fat. Probably hold more in the back and they sit on the lap. I gotta go and move to the party to see where's that. Come on, can't stop, won't stop, rock it to the rhythm to me. I get down to me, I get down to me, I get down. Yo, rock and rock the party, I get down. There's some gold in this house. There's some gold in this house. Like that drove in my house. Smoke that drove in my house. Bring that dough in this house. Bring that dough in this house. Bring them hoes in this house. Bring them hoes in this house. Let me just make this statement. Out here, Jersey's here. Some dudes got problems with me.